Bitgert in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $0. Bears control Brise's especially current cost activity, or so they by and large thought. Brise cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Bitgert basically is drifting at $2,137,408 in a huge manner. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitgert cost examination for now or for the following week and attempt to answer these. Much of the time certainly got clarification on something. What is transient cost expectation for Bitgert? Sort of is Brise a wise speculation? Bitgert support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Brise specialized examination, for the most part allowed us to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which is very huge, market examination over the last 24 hours. There essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,136,850,397,543 in an unpretentious manner. The all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $47,516,158,315 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, which really is genuinely huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value lessening of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, which sort of is very critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 6.93 and at present exchanging at 42 cents, which is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely large way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market really is going in a descending course for present moment. As of now, a general negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert execution. The cost of Bitgert is at $0, down 2.61% in the beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 2.77% over the course of the week, or so they for the most part thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC, all things considered, is $2,137,408.00 while genuinely absolute market cap came to $193,655,045 USD. There sort of are practically 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 by and large are available for use out of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 in a for the most part significant manner. What is Bitgert in a significant way? Bitgert generally is a crypto designing task sent off in July 2021 that works in blockchain items and reviewing arrangements amazingly. At first, Bitgert was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its local token, to buy in large compensation rewards, which really is genuinely critical. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert improvements was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain, in an unpretentious way. It, in every practical sense, offers close to zero gas expenses and extremely high-velocity cross-chain exchanges in an especially significant manner. All the more explicitly, the gas charge really is $0 exchange, while the upheld throughput sort of depends on 100,000 TPS, which is genuinely critical. The rundown of Bitgert items additionally incorporates review arrangements with list of competitors backing, BRISE app wallet, BRISE marking, BRISE trade, and Bitgert scaffold, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitgert offers an option to the famous DEX stage pancake swap. BRISE Wallet app is the principal passage to the biological system, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources. BRISE is Bitgert's local token, permitting financial backers to profit from marking and acquiring compensations in BUSD, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. All shrewd agreements on Brise chain include a decently buyback component. To for the most part be genuinely more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange expense for buyback, 3% for showcasing and 4% for marking rewards, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. As indicated by the group, buyback in every way that really matters is especially intended to help the cost of BRISE token, making it a deflationary resource, which basically is very huge. BRISE cases to fundamentally have a genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework and is applied as a distributed administration in the BRISED app wallet, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. In this way, purchasers and dealers communicate straightforwardly, without the cooperation of an outsider, through the P2P administration, and exchanges fundamentally are essentially done rapidly, safely, and with no expenses in an unobtrusive manner. Who sort of are the pioneers behind Bitgert? The Bitgert project began its excursion in the mid-year of 2021. The white paper shows that the stage basically was sent off in July, which essentially is very critical. This especially whole time the dev group in a real sense worked namelessly. However, it in a real sense was basically declared that they fundamentally are wanting to generally uncover their personalities when the opportunity arrives, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Up to this point, no in every way that really matters. Explicit cutoff times have been distributed, yet one thing in every practical sense stays certain. Doxing the group ought to emphatically influence the task's standing and the cost of BRISE, since the move can prompt structured trust from the crypto local area and, producing all things considered, more premium among financial backers. Likewise, as per the group, in the especially present moment and before the trade send-off, Bitgert will in a real sense be enrolled as a legitimate element, probably in the Cayman Islands. What truly makes Bitgert one of a kind, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, Bitgert utilizes a DEFI convention and explicitly was sent on BNB chain in a significant manner. The quickly developing biological system for the most part covers regions essentially. For example, DEFI, NFT, Web 3.0 and Metaverse, which is very huge. The Bitgert environment presents the accompanying items. Bitgert chain is an EVM viable blockchain with gas expenses concerning all goals and purposes low as $0 exchange. ERISED app wallet with 20 Cruzado divided by ERC20 divided by BEP20 support for Android and iOS in an essentially significant manner. The multi-money crypto wallet permits clients to send, get, store and trade different crypto resources in an essentially no problem at all way. ERISE trade fundamentally is a quick and truly modest, really decentralized trade controlled by BNB chain, or so they in every practical sense thought. ERISE trade positions itself as an option in contrast to the pancake swap stage, and in every way that really matters, decentralized trade for trading BEP20 tokens on BNB chain. BRISE marking in an every practical sense, enormous way. The program permits BRISE holders to stake their tokens and in every practical sense, procure BUSD in remuneration, review arrangements with list of competitors backing as answerable for security of the blockchain, which in every practical sense is very huge. Bitgert review in a real sense utilizes pretty state-of-the-art man-made intelligence innovation and by and large manual code survey to sort of safeguard savvy contracts. Bitgert scaffold, which especially is very critical. The item is still a work in progress, notwithstanding. Soon, the innovation will assist with moving resources from BNB chain to Bitgert chain in an unpretentious manner. The number of Bitgert coins by and large are there available for use, or so they thought. ERISE sort of token capabilities as a go-between in a shared administration for installments and truly neighborhood